Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix white screen stream on Discord mobile app. Let's get started. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center and check if you are connected. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the streams load properly. After that, restart the Discord app. Fully close Discord to refresh it. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and find the app switcher and swipe it away. Now open the app and try watching the stream again. If that didn't help, update the Discord app. An outdated app can cause video issues like the white screen. First, open the App Store, tap the profile picture at the top right and scroll down. If you see an update button next to the Discord, tap on it. If that didn't help, restart your phone. If it still shows a white screen, try restarting your phone. Press and hold the side button, then slide the power up. Wait a few seconds, turn it back on and test the stream again. And that's it. One of these steps should fix the white screen when streaming on Discord using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.